thunderstorm warning for central Goodyear County in southeastern Minnesota, southwestern Pipkin County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Goodyear, 7 miles southwest of Red Wing, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Frontenac around 8:45 p.m. Stockholm around 8:50 p.m. Around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Frontenac State Park, Belchester, Central Point, Ellen Wakuta. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.